Welcome back, guys, and today we are going to be making an all-natural, all-purpose cleaner. Real quick, guys, before we begin, all of these items can be found at the cheapest prices down in the description down below, as well as the best prices for essential oils. And while you're down there, join our Facebook group where there's an essential oil community talking about essential oils all day long. All right, guys, what are we going to need for this project? 2 teaspoons of Castile natural soap base, 1 cup of water, your essential oil of choice. I like to use one of the more disinfectant oils. I love Purify, On Guard, or citrus oils would be great for this, and an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. What you want to do is you want to add your 2 teaspoons of Castile soap base first. Next, you're going to want to add your essential oil, and I'm going to add about 15 drops. Make sure those combine a little bit there. Next, you're going to want to pour your water in there to the level just below the line, that way it doesn't overfill. Tighten up the lid, give it a little bit of a shake, and there you go. That is another toxic problem solved by a natural solution. What is this good for? Guys, instead of using toxic chemicals to clean your house, your countertops, other things like that, go ahead and try this solution instead. Eliminate as many of those toxic chemicals as you can. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get all the latest news and different do-it-yourself projects using essential oils. Thanks a lot, guys.